In this video, we'll be going over an SEO audit of a business based in Massachusetts. We'll be kind of going over the website, what stuff they're doing wrong, what could be improved and stuff like that. Other than that, we'll be also looking over at Google business profile and exactly how they can rank in their radius for the terms like AC repair near me, furnace, HVAC repair near me and whatnot. This is a document that our team has prepared and I'll be kind of going over to this, and you can exactly copy this. You can exactly see what sort of elements we are using in this one, and you can exactly see the same stuff or the same elements for your business too. Let's get started without any further ado. And just like you can know that if in case you want to get an audit done for your HVAC business, feel free to book a call with us using the link given in the description and pin comment. Let's start the video. If you actually see, we have audited their backlinks profile, their keywords, what of keywords they're ranking on, how many monthly traffic they're getting on their website and things like that. Just in case if you don't really know what backlink is, it's simply a third party mention from a different website to yours. That's it. So if you actually see, this particular website has got 7.2k keywords ranking and they're getting like 3.5 thousand traffic every single month. But at the same time, if you look at it, they're losing out on keywords and traffic. So it means that something is not good, right? Something is missing here that we need to look and we need to improve on. So again, if you see, they have got 3,000 backlinks from 230 websites, which is not quite good, but yeah, we'll be talking about that a bit later on. Then talking about content audit, the website has approximately 1100 pages and 243 blog posts on the website. However, the majority of ranking pages are blog posts except for the homepage, which is not good at all because these are all top of the funnel keywords. For instance, why is my AC leaky, right? Things like that. These are not keywords which is gonna bring you relevant local traffic. These are not the bottom of the funnel keywords. These are only good to bring in some traffic on your website, but these won't be bringing in calls for you. That's the reason these guys are not getting that much of relevant traffic or, you know, highly targeted converting traffic, right? So they need to actually focus more on their location pages, their home pages and things like that. Instead of focusing a lot on their blog posts, they should be focusing towards more a service, location and a home page. That's the nitty-gritty. The key issues with most of the published landing pages are either they are duplicate or similar contents on every landing pages. That's one of the reasons why they're not really ranking well. Second, lack of proper content strategy. Will be further dwelling into this. Then poor content and insufficient SEO optimization in most content pieces. Fourth, need for improved content quality. And fifth, absence of entity optimization in some content pieces, which is crucial for natural language caught. Now I know this might be a bit overwhelming for a lot of you guys because these are a few jargons and stuff like that, but I'll kind of break this down for you so that you understand it, right? So if you see this landing page, right, this page is currently ranking on 2nd to 3rd of Google and has a normal competition for the keyword and has average search volume of 35. However, the page is not ranking on the first page of Google, right? So if you actually see, this page could be one of their most performing page, right? Because emergency plumber in Cambridge, Massachusetts, or, you know, emergency HVAC repair in Cambridge, Massachusetts, terms like these, they're gonna help you so much to get relevant traffic and get calls, because whenever emergency comes in, people are looking to call you right away. Conversion on these pages are much higher than the general one. The main issue with this specific page is the content is not having structured. Second, duplicate content because they are having the same piece of content on tons of other location pages, which is not correct. Third, low word count, right? For example, the word count of the page is 546 and the competitor ranking for the same particular keyword has between 1000 to 2000 word count, which is again, at the very least, if we take an average, it's thrice of what we are having on our page. So we need to improve on that. Apart from that, content is almost the same as published on similar keywords for other locations. Just the location name is changed. Again, same issue, right? The content duplication. We need to improve this because otherwise, if we don't, there might be another Google update tomorrow and the whole site will wipe out, you know. So that is something we need to focus on. Then, although the strategy is good for initial push in the ranking, but once it starts showing momentum, it should be revamped with completely new unique content with proper structure. That's what I usually suggest if you're just getting started and if you're focusing on, let's say, 10 location pages, instead of putting money on all of those 10 location pages, just get a minimum viable product or, you know, whatever you can on these pages. And once you start seeing some sort of momentum or some sort of traction, let's say these pages are on page 3, page 4, things like that, you can actually then further improve these pages, you know. That's how you should do it. Then if you actually see, we have listed all the service pages with similar content, and again, this content is similar for all service all other services like AC installation in X City, in Y City, in Z City, right? Things like that. Then coming to on-page SEO, simply any sort of optimization that you do on your website, particularly content, right? So that is the thing. And while the service pages are published for almost all the location, it is not optimized for on-page SEO. The key issues with most of the published landing pages here are either not optimized title, same anchor text in every landing pages, third, not optimized for keywords, fourth, lack of internal links. If I have to sum it up, title, anchor text, these are the big things they need to solve, Then content titles are not optimized properly for many service pages. Few examples are, if you actually see this specific page, AC installation, Canton, Massachusetts, they have got AC installation, green energy mechanical, which is not at all an optimized heading. They need to have something like AC installation in Canton, Massachusetts, then green energy mechanical. But here they're doing it completely wrong. Further, there are almost 123 URLs when it could be optimized with proper keywords and title structure, and we have further linked all of those URLs over here. Other than that, apart from content titles, there are almost thousands of URLs that are orphan. Now, to further tell you about orphan pages, these are the pages which are having no links at all from any other page. Google cannot really track these pages until they are getting enough traffic or they're actually included in the sitemap. This is a big issue on most of the websites, so you need to make sure. That is one of the reasons why I say internal linking is as important as external linking, right? And basically there are no internal linkings pointing to any particular URLs, and if there are internal links for pages, same anchor texts are repeated extensively, and this could be due to similar content on most of the pages. Same issue, content duplication, and we have listed all of those URLs over here. Then off-page SEO audit. Again, off-page refers to anything you do on any third-party website, be it citation, directory listing, backlink, whatnot. The off-page audit consists of the following parameters here. First of all, total referring domains, they have got 230, total number of do follow links 130, number of quality backlinks 14, and anchor text distribution, mix of naked and branded. Then comes the off-page SEO audit. So off-page SEO audit here exactly consists of the following parameters. First of all, total referring domains, they have got 230 of them, total number of do follow links 130, number of quality backlinks again 14, and anchor text distribution is a mix of naked and branded that they are using. The backlink profile consists of citations, guest posts, and press releases, and yeah, their citations covers almost all major directory websites, which is good. However, there are way too many spammy and automated backlinks on their website, so yeah, that might be something they need to look at. Other than that, a few examples of irrelevant links on the website, we have listed them, and also there are link farm websites that sell backlinks to almost any site offering no relevance, and they're trying to get guest posts from these, so it's not really going to help them. So that might be something that they'll have to look at. Other than that, we have also prepared a technical audit for them. So if you actually click on this again and open this, we have got optimized content titles, whichever pages that's missing content titles right now. Other than that, canonical URL issues. Other than that, we have got also internal linking and orphan pages issues, duplicate H1 tags, multiple H1 tags, and all of them. So throughout this, we have listed all of them, and you can get the same stuff via Screaming Frog. It's very easy, nothing too fancy, but yeah, that's gonna help you a lot. Other than that, we have got a GBP audit as well, and where we have listed all of the information, whether NAP consistency, how many reviews they are having compared to their competitors, categories, secondary categories, and a description and whatnot. So these are all the stuff that's included over here, and this is all on their website or SEO audit. You can do pretty much same for your business or your client's business. Let me know if I've got any other question. That was it for today's one. I hope you like this. If I've got any other question, feel free to comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.